How to study effectively using few important strategies. If you are a student and you like to know what the most effective way to study, this question comes to mind only a really intelligent student. In this video, I will tell you few essential approaches that are the necessity for a student to get A+ marks in very short time. Everybody is telling you the study in this way, other said, a study in another way. But all are ignoring one thing, all human are not same and all have the different abilities. First, you must understand yourself. What are your God-gifted qualities awarded by nature? We must know our strength and weakness. It is a key point in your entire life success. The next most important point, you need to find your brain most optimal time in which your brain works fast. This time varies person to person. Some people bran optimal time in the morning and other are in evening. You must have a specific bran optimal time. The third essential point is the concentration during study time. During the study, no other thought will come to your mind. It was not a hard process. It is just practiced. In beginning, these intervals will short. But after some time, you will easily handle it. Mostly it will take 10 to 20 days to build a concentration at the start. But if you will able to manage concentration, then you will save your lot of time. If one topic is taking 40 minutes continuous hard work, after building this ability, it will hardly take you 15 to 20 minutes the same topic. The fourth important point finds a great purpose of your study. Why you are studying. The purpose always helps you work hard. If you don't have the purpose of your study, then it is like a train, it has no destiny. Thomas said that. Study with purpose, both in church and in school. Write down your goals and what you plan to do achieve them. Aim high, for you are capable. After knowing the purpose of your study, then you will make a study plan. A great plan will help you to achieve your desired goal. You must decide what your studying goals are for each semester and each week. For the creation of the plan, you must use a calendar with a mention in which date, I will study this subject. You may make the calendar on paper or buy a paper calendar, or you may use calendar app for creating a plan. I suggest you will make first 7 days plan. After 7 days, you will review your plan. What task complete and what task will not complete. If few tasks will miss, then you don't much worry about it. It is normal, in beginning, it will happen every student. Because in beginning, we did not understand our psychology and weak area of the study. You must make a timetable for your study. You will find the time, how much you will each day, each week, and each month. After analysis of your available time, you will make a written timetable for your study. I suggest you prioritize your academic tasks. Work on the harder subjects first while you have more energy. The research shows that study sessions are most effective in small short chunks. You don't need to study 3 to 4 hours in one sitting. You must break these study interval 30 minutes each. You must create favorable conditions for study. You must choose a quiet place to study where you can concentrate. If the noise area, it will affect your study and learning skills. As per my own experience, if I did not find suitable conditions for study, then I will prefer to study in the night time. Because most people had slept in the night. If you have a smartphone, tablet, or computer for studying, don't get sidetracked with social media or games. Had you noticed the same teacher, same study materials and equal available time? Some student will get A+ in exam while others are not performing well. The reason being that most students did not know how to study effectively during class lectures. Before going to class, you must review your next topic that tutor will teach you tomorrow in class. During class lectures, you will give your full concentrations. You must note the important points during lectures. If you will not understand any concept, you must ask questions to tutor about it. You will set any place where you easily hear the voice of the tutor. You must play an active role in your class. You must highlight important points in your book. You will use flashcard for study. Flashcard will enhance your understanding of the topic. A study conducted on the student. A passage had given to two group of students. Half were told they will be tested on the material, while the other half were told they would have to teach it to other students. Participants expecting to teach it did much better on understanding. When you're expected to teach, your brain organizes the information in a more logically coherent structure. You must develop good study techniques. Use the SQR3 method for reading non-math textbooks. Survey, question, read, recite and review. Use the PRESP method for reading math and science texts. Preview, read, examples, summarize and problems. Use repetition to increase remembering. Review summary sheets and chapters weekly. For intensive memorization, create flashcards and practice often. You must give the test of the chapters of your book. The practices test will help you identify a weak area of your concepts and memories. You must give the mock exams before you went to the final exam. In this way, your success ratio enhanced 90% in final exam scores. A few studies have looked at the direct effects of education on health. You must focus on your health. Health also affects on the study. The most intelligent student will get low marks due to health issues only. You must give proper daily time to your health. A famous saying is that healthy mind always in healthy body. If you are healthy, then you will easily concentrate on your study. Of course, some foods are better for your brain than others. I have rounded up 6 brain foods you should be eating to feed both your mind and body. These foods will boost your brain and memory. Avocados, beets, blueberries, walnuts, and dark chocolate. If you thought this video was valuable, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and leave a comment so other people will know it's worth watching too. Thanks.